Did you know your brain uses about 20% of all your calories? If you're fueling that engine with sugar and coffee, no wonder you feel foggy. Let's talk about foods that actually power your brain. Food isn't just fuel, it's chemistry. Blueberries, for example, are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins that protect neurons from oxidative stress. Studies at Harvard found that people who eat blueberries regularly have a slower rate of cognitive decline. Next, fatty fish like salmon or sardines. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, which make up cell membranes in your brain. Research in the journal Neurology shows that people with higher omega-3 levels have larger brain volumes and better cognition. Dark chocolate isn't just a guilty pleasure. Cocoa contains flavonoids that increase blood flow to the brain and improve mood. Choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa and enjoy a few squares instead of sugary candy. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are high in vitamin K and folate. These nutrients help form brain protective fat and improve memory. In one study, older adults who ate one serving of leafy greens a day had the cognitive abilities of someone 11 years younger. Finally, nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, provide vitamin E, zinc, and healthy fats. These nutrients protect your cells and supply steady energy. They're portable too, so you can snack smart anytime. How do you start? Here's a simple 7-day plan. Add blueberries to breakfast. Swap one snack for nuts. Cook fish twice this week. Toss greens into lunch and dinner. And enjoy a square of dark chocolate with your afternoon tea. Your brain will thank you. Remember, what you eat builds your brain. Try one new food this week and tell us in the comments how you feel. Hungry for more knowledge? Subscribe and watch the next video about decision fatigue and mental energy.